Welcome back, everybody. So we've been keeping track of this Ravel Morrison Derby County transfer situation. Just to give you a quick update on the latest, I don't like how it's going. I don't think this was a good idea from the get go for Ravel, but I guess desperate times calls for desperate measures. For those who don't know, Derby is in a bit of trouble, and transfers aren't that simple for them. However, they go into a game, their final preseason game of before the season, and it is being reported that none of the nine trialists, have been picked in the team for that last preseason game. The nine out of contract players training at the Rams are Phil Jagielka, Ravel Morrison, Sone Aluko, Sam Baldock, Richard Stearman, Tom Carroll, Ryan Alsop, Curtis Davis, and Andre Wisdom. None of these men were selected to play in the game against Notts County. All right. For those that don't understand, Derby is in serious trouble when it comes to transfers. They have nine trialists right now, and they can only sign four because of restrictions. To put it in short, Derby is coming from a point where at the end of the 2019 season, they were on the brink of being in the Premier League, losing out to Aston Villa. By the end of the 2021 season, they are in all kind of hell and powder house as far as finances is concerned, player contracts are concerned. It's a long list of things to go through. There have been failed takeover bids, um, issues with paying taxes, paying their players, a crooked stadium deal where they overvalued the stadium, and then it's very complicated what happened at Derby. So for Ravel to throw his lot in here, it's kind of risky. I know we're seeing on the final preseason match, not the final day of preseason, the final preseason match, none of the trialists are involved in the squad. This don't necessarily mean that they won't sign anybody, but more than half of those gentlemen will not get contracts, put it that way. Due to the restrictions, the nine trialists, they can only sign four. They can only sign four free agents. Um, do these restrictions make sense? To me, no. Do they help the club? No. You understand? Um, will Derby be around in the championship next season? They are prime candidates, like the favorites for relegation right now. Okay? So, in my opinion, this is not a good look. Not a good look at all. Is it possible for Ravel to get a contract here? I wouldn't say it's not possible. Is it the right place? Maybe not. Um, but like we said, desperate times calls for desperate measures, and anywhere the player can get a foot through the door, I guess that is the way he's looking at it. If he can get a foot through the door at Derby, he's going to try. But yeah, I definitely see problems here. Like and subscribe, people. And remember, leave your comments below.